Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable privacy settings on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then tap on this settings button in the upper right corner, and then scroll down to this privacy and security section. Tap on it, and here you can set who can message you. Tap on the relevant circle, receive calls from people I follow, my contacts or nobody. Then you can select how to or from whom you would like to receive requests, who can see your highlights, your liked sound bites, and who can see your content in your profile. So just tap on the relevant circles and then the option will be selected and saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.